Exercise 6.2, question number 4. In the given figure, if PQ is parallel to ST, angle PQR is equal to 110 degrees, angle RST is equal to 130 degrees, find angle QRS. In this given figure, PQ is parallel to ST, angle PQR is equal to 110 degrees, angle RST is equal to 130 degrees, then we have to find this angle QRS. To get this question, let us first construct through this point R a line AB parallel to PQ. Through R, draw a line AB parallel to PQ, and PQ is already given parallel to ST. And AB we have constructed parallel to PQ by construction. So here PQ is given parallel to ST, and we have constructed a line through this point R, AB parallel to PQ. So therefore AB is parallel to ST, as lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So this way AB is parallel to ST. PQ is given parallel to ST, and we have constructed AB through this point R parallel to PQ, so it has become parallel to ST also. Now let this angle be 1, this angle be 2, and this angle QRS be 3. PQ is parallel to AB by construction. Therefore angle 1 plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees, as they are consecutive angles, and consecutive angles are supplementary. This implies angle 1 plus angle PQR 110 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees equal to 70 degrees. So angle 1 is equal to 70 degrees. Now AB is parallel to ST also. AB is parallel to ST, proved above. Here we have proved that AB is parallel to ST. So angle 2 plus angle RST is equal to 180 degrees because they are consecutive angles. And this implies angle 2 plus 130 degrees equal to 180 degrees, which implies angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 130 degrees is equal to 50 degrees. So angle 1 70 degrees, angle 2 we have got 50 degrees, and we have to find angle 3. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Here AB is a straight line drawn through this point R. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 together make a straight angle. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equal to 180 degrees. Reason you can write, they are making an straight angle. This implies angle 1 70 degrees plus angle 2 50 degrees plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees, and this further implies that angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore angle QRS is equal to 60 degree, and this is the answer.